Hey everybody, Gary here from Tech Review Ireland, and Cade Mila Falcha 100,000 welcomes to where we will be doing tech reviews and news Irish style. So today we're going to be reviewing the Soundcore Life Q20 noise cancelling headphones by Anker. Now these come with a 40-hour wireless playback, or if you knock off the ACN it's 60 hours. But are they a decent quality at a lower price point? Do they have what it takes to compare with the likes of Boss and Sony? Let's jump into the video and check out some specs. Now these Life Q20s come beautifully packaged in this nice box. They come with a self-professed pure sound and no noise, high-res audio with Bluetooth, a 40-hour playback time and bass up enhanced sound. They are of course active noise cancelling. They come with this beautiful little leatherette bag. A micro USB and a 3.5mm jack. And they have extra soft ear cups, a foldable design and AUX mode, which means you don't have to waste the battery using Bluetooth. They are absolutely gorgeous headphones, I will give them that. They're very soft around the cups. So to pair with your phone, you go to your Bluetooth settings. You hold on the power button for 5 seconds. You'll hear a beep and you get a blue flashing light. Click pair new device and you will see the Soundcore Life Q20. And you'll hear a little beep and there you go, ready for rock. Then just open up any music app or YouTube. My go-to songs to test out earphones is Sliver by Velvet Revolver. It's a fantastic song with lots of stuff going on and it gives you a very accurate representation of what the earphones are like. There's a volume rocker on both sides, up and down. Hold your hand on up to go to the next song, hold your hand on down to go to the previous song. And of course the play button in the middle. On the other side you have your power button and the noise cancelling. Now I will admit I am very easily impressed by earphones, especially if they're decent quality, and the sound from these Soundcore Life Q20s by Anker is really good quality. Now it's not amazing. If you want that you're going to have to pay 5 times the amount, 6 times the amount. But for a low budget pair of earphones, which they are, they're really comfortable, they're really durable. So let's pop these on and have a bit of a closer listen. Yeah, you cannot fault that sound. With the bass up technology knocked off, it's a little bit better. With that on, it comes a little tiny bit distorted with loud music like this, but absolutely perfect. You can hear several different instruments perfectly intertwined, and it's very, very comfortable in the ears. These are so soft, I can't see them causing a problem wearing them throughout the day. It's absolutely fantastic. You do have a handy expandable retractor, so if you have a big fat head, Soundcore. My head's fine, so let's give it another listen. So there we have it. These bad boys get the thumbs up from Tech Review Ireland. If I had one thing to nitpick about, it's this. It is a beautiful bag. It does feel fantastic. But I would rather have a hard case for these earphones. I mean, they are, I don't want to say flimsy, but they're fantastically movable. And I would like a hard case for them to keep them protected. So thank you very much again for watching this video. I'm going to leave the link to these and the Anker website in the description below. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button right now. And please check out more of my videos and stay subscribed for any updates. I'm off to put these through the paces. Peace.